In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add age restriction on Shopify. As a Shopify store owner, ensuring that your online store complies with age restrictions for products like alcohol, tobacco, or any other age-sensitive items is crucial. This step-by-step guide will help you implement an age restriction pop-up so that you're not inadvertently selling adult-only products to underage customers. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin panel. If you're not already logged in, do so now, and then navigate to the Online Store section found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once you've clicked on that, direct your attention to Themes, which is usually presented right under Online Store. Here, you'll find an overview of your current theme. We're going to click on Actions for your active theme, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. When inside the code editor, look out for a file named theme.liquid. Don't worry if you're not well versed in coding, this is a simple and straightforward task. Once you have theme.liquid open, you're going to insert a snippet of JavaScript. Feel free to scroll down to the bottom of this file where we've got some clear space to work with and paste your JavaScript code there. This code is essentially what's needed to generate the age verification pop-up. This JavaScript will prompt users when they enter your site. The pop-up typically asks them to confirm they're at least the minimum legal age required to purchase your products. Before you apply this, ensure that it's tailored to suit your business's needs. The age indicated and wording of the alert dialog should be appropriate whether it's set for 18, 21, or otherwise depending on your country's regulations and the nature of your products. Ensure everything looks polished and reflects your brand tone. After inserting the code, make sure to click Save at the top right corner of the editor before exiting. This is an easy step to forget but crucial to validating those changes on your live site. Once saved, don't leave your success to chance, confirm it yourself by visiting your storefront in an incognito window. This way, you'll experience it just like a first-time visitor would. As the page loads, the pop-up should now prompt you, requesting age verification before accessing your store. Finally, as an additional tip, remember that age verification laws can vary significantly depending on location. Regularly review and, if necessary, update your pop-up content and age requirements to remain compliant with regional regulations. And there you have it, a simple, effective method to ensure age-controlled products are handled responsibly on your Shopify store. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with any further questions or comments.